Hello, Joe here from Infiniti of Tacoma. I'm here to tell you about this lovely 2015 Cadillac CTS that we have for sale. We took this one in on trade for a new Infiniti. Some of our nicest pre-owned vehicles coming on trade for new Infinitis. This one's no exception. Clean Carfax vehicle from the West Coast. We do have a complimentary Carfax report for you to view. If you're in the market for a mid-size luxury sedan with a sporty performance, the CTS delivers. This isn't the Cadillac land yacht of yesterday. This is a modern interpretation of a performance luxury sedan designed to go head-to-head with some of the best sport luxury sedans from Europe, like the BMW 5 Series and Mercedes-Benz E-Class. In fact, the BMW 5 Series was the original benchmark when the CTS was first developed. Cadillac wanted to make a rear-wheel drive luxury automobile with performance and handling that you'd find in the BMW 5 Series, which is an amazing vehicle in its time and still today. Beautiful black leather interior, white exterior, wood interior trim, heated and cooled front seats. Those cooled seats come in very handy. It's been hot and muggy today. I have the cooled seats on. Feels very nice. Great infotainment system, very easy to use. I like how they have these sliders here. Gives you a little bit of a tactile feel. When you hit it, it gives it a little bit of a, it's hard to describe it. You can feel when you hit the button, it gives it a little bit of a, I can't quite give the exact word, but come in and play around in the infotainment system and you know what I'm talking about. Very easy to use, and of course we have Cadillac's great infotainment system. You can sign up with OnStar navigation, a lot of cool features there. You have OnStar telematics that you can sign up for as well. Steering wheel paddle shifters. This one only has 30,156 miles at the time of making this video. Also has a heated steering wheel. Great sounding Bose audio system. It's a little bit dark, so I want to leave the windows rolled down on the inside, but it has nice black tinted windows. Goes nicely with black wheels. Nice contrast with that white exterior. It's been serviced and checked by our techs. The brakes are good, the tires are good. All it needs now is a new home. 2.0 turbocharged 4-cylinder, makes about 270 horsepower. Plenty of get up and go for this CTS. Not a very heavy car. Delivering excellent performance and great gas mileage as well, with an EPA highway rating of 30 miles per gallon. This CTS is backed by a 5-day, 100% money back guarantee. No gimmicks, no restocking fees. It is 100% money back. Really a gorgeous design. Cadillac builds some beautiful cars, and the CTS follows that same design theme we see in a lot of Cadillac products. Thanks so much for taking the time today to watch this video. Hopefully we see you soon and have a wonderful day.